Hello. Now this is V Performance store in Indranagar where I have done uh, installation of SW-Motech tank bag. So you can see this tank bag mounted. It is a magnetic tank bag. There's a loop. You just need to pull and the tank bag comes. It doesn't touch the tank. It's sitting on a tank ring which is magnetic, and there's a base of the tank bag also got a magnetic clasp. So this is what it looks like after installation. Very neat. So you can carry your camera equipments and a GoPro and other things, Insta 360 for your purse and all that. And now this is the SW-Motech Aero ABS side cases. So around 12.5 liters of storage. So it's mounted here just above the side exhaust. You can see it's not touching. You can see here the gap there. So this is the way they have fixed it. So it's now it is adventure touring setup, you can call it as. So this is the way it looks from side. Now I need to get a top box. So that is a rack pack set. So that as I told you, I'll get it only next month. So once that comes, I'll also have a back top kind of a rack pack set top box, alternative to top box. So when pillion sits also comfortably, they'll have a backrest. So from behind how it looks, I'll show you. This is the side view, the rear view. It's looking massive now. You can see how the it's fixed. It's taken support. There's a different kind of fasteners and all for this. You can see the rack which it is the bag is holding on to. This is the lock. This is a lock wherein you will not be able to remove these racks without opening this lock. So this will rotate like this. So that means it's locked. Once I put the key, then only you can use tools to remove. Otherwise, it is permanently locked onto the bike. So you can see here. See the plates here. This is taking support of the number plates. No, support is there. Number plates, grooves there, and then you can see inside. Goes like this. So from behind it looks like this. Again, this is the right side case. You can see how it looks. It's not touching. Again, 12.5 liters of storage. The SW-Motech branding here. See how it looks like from the right side. Complete touring setup on the Hayabusa. Okay, so this I have done at V Performance. This is the brand name. They are the multi-branded bikes. They do all fixtures and all service and all that they do here. So this is what it looks like from all the bikes. Neatly done, neat job. So this is the store. You can see how the store looks like. All the equipments for service bay, everything he's got here. And the person to contact is Mr. Vikas. See, there's a BMW 1250 GSA coming for some accessories, fixtures, and maybe servicing also. You can see they got all the things. Now here there is an R1 here. It's also come from some repair works, maybe service. You can see, I'll show you the angles R1, and this is because triple black GS 1250. So he's customized this with the SW tank bag and everything, acropovic exhaust, GB crash guards, a lot of I think it's Danelli fog lamps, Lone Rider, the headlight grills. You can see here how it looks, beautifully done. And here you can see the CarPlay thing, Chigi smart riding system. This is, so this also they imported and they install it. It's got TPMS control, we can have it there, and then there are two cameras also, you can see. One is this, so continuous recording. Another camera will be in the front, hopefully. Yeah, where is it? It's here. This is another camera. So then it's got blind spot detection and all that. So this is another bike. Showed you GSA. This is GSA 1200, the blue and white combination, HP colors that is called. Now this is a 2024 gold wing. Gold wing, this also comes for some accessorization and all that. It's a brand new bike when the number plates are not put now. So you can see fully loaded gold wing 2024 model. Hardly 5-6 bikes across India. In that I think 4 gold wings are customers of Vikas here. So this is also come, you can see white color, it looks really beautiful. All round I will show you. So this is it. Seating, see the seats behind, massive, an easy chair it is, got a lot of storage space behind and side, complete touring machine. This is also got a, see how the console looks like, almost like an aircraft. This is also got in-nose CarPlay, Android Auto Play and all that, whatever. See how it looks like here in front. From the front I will show you. So this is the look. So I have done with my fitment and everything. I will be leaving now. Maybe I'll ask him to install the Chigi's thing later. Because 1 second. I can take you on the video, right? Huh? I can just introduce you, that's it. People want to come and introduce my name and yeah, I've already told them. So because is a person who is the owner of this place. You can see the logo V Performance. So if you have any requirements of super bikes, all multi-brands, right? Multi-brands, you can contact him. All SW-Motech, Lone Rider, all the fitments he will do, including service also, right? Including service. So any products which is not available in India, he can procure it. So he's got authorized dealership for certain products. It's in Indranagar. So you can Google it. You will get the Google location and easily accessible it is. So I just wanted to make a small video of my installation of the SW-Motech touring setup for my bike. So Thank you very much, guys, for joining in. So yesterday I had posted the unboxing video. Today I have installation video. Maybe it will be helpful for you guys. If you want to do the same. The right person to contact is Vikas in Bangalore, Indranagar. Fine. Thanks, guys, for joining in. Keep supporting for many more videos to come. Thank you very much.